हाँ, मेरा नाम उन्नी है। मैं एक प्रेग्नेंट विडो मलयालम फिल्म का डायरेक्टर हूँ। रियल इंसिडेंट मैम शूट किया था। एक लड़की का लाइफ, इसका इमोशन। ये प्रेग्नेंट लेडी है, ये दलित प्रेग्नेंट लेडी। ये मैटर के लिए 400 किलोमीटर लंबे त्रिवेंद्रम केरला कैपिटल में आने का है। तो ऑफिस में वो आके वो क्या क्या उसको आ गया, वो ये स्टोरी, रियल इंसिडेंट स्टोरी, रियल लाइफ स्टोरी, इमोशनल स्टोरी। भाषा के ऊपर सब ऑडियंस को, ये बंगाली का ऑडियंस सबको ये पिक्चर पसंद हो गया। सब लोग अच्छा बोल दिया, सबके आइस पे टीएस हो गया। थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Myself Twinkle Joby. I'm an artist from Kerala and I'm here with my movie A Pregnant Widow, and I have done the title character in this movie. I am the pregnant widow, and just now we had our third streaming here in London too. It was an amazing experience for me. I'm very excited and I'm very happy to hear the responses from the audience. And we had audience from here, from Kolkata, and also those who are Malayalis and those who are not Malayalis. But now I understood language is not a barrier to enjoy movies. Here really the people from Kolkata, they are movie lovers, and I'm very proud to get a chance to watch film with you people. I'm really happy, and I'm really thankful to God for this great opportunity, and I'm very thankful to my director, Mr. Unni Kea. He gave me this wonderful opportunity. That is why I'm here in Kolkata International Film Festival, 31st Kolkata International Film Festival. I'm very proud and I'm very happy. Thank you all. I love you all. Please do watch our movie, A Pregnant Widow, and I'm waiting for your responses. Thank you.